Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can arise when working with datasets. Imagine you have a column filled with cluster IDs, but scattered throughout are some annoying NA values. These pesky NAs are disrupting the flow of the cluster IDs, and you want to clean them up to have a consistent sequence. How can we solve this problem? Let's dive into the solution. In order to tackle this issue, we can use the powerful combination of the dplyr and tidyr libraries in R. The code provided offers a neat solution to our problem. By creating temporary columns and using the fill function in both directions, we can effectively replace the NAs with the appropriate cluster IDs based on the numbers preceding and following them. This method ensures that the cluster IDs remain intact while removing the unwanted NAs. It's like magic, but in data form. Continuing with the solution, the next step involves some clever manipulation of the data using the row_number function and additional fill operations. By strategically filling the NAs based on the values above and below them, we can generate a new column called cluster_ID_new that reflects the corrected cluster IDs. This approach maintains the integrity of the original data while refining it to be more coherent and structured. Say goodbye to those disorderly NAs. Wrapping up our solution, the final output showcases the transformation of the cluster_ID column into a more refined cluster_ID_new column. The results speak for themselves, with the NAs smartly replaced by the appropriate cluster IDs, creating a seamless and organized sequence. With this efficient approach, data cleaning becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on more important tasks with your dataset. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective solution to the problem of handling NAs within cluster IDs. Remember, a little data tidying goes a long way in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your analyses. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Stay tuned for more data insights and solutions. Until next time, happy coding!